Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will talk about family constellation therapy. This therapy basically deals with family structure, and this is a subconscious therapy. In this therapy, there are many therapists who take different roles. It's a kind of role play. So a client comes to us with some issue. We take that issue and then we try to find the source, and we get solutions through many sources. Sometimes it may be your inner child, sometimes it may be some curse or past life issues. So in this therapy we deal with all the things, and beautifully we explore all the layers of the mind. So what happens sometimes, we live our life with mother wounds, father wounds. So in this therapy we come to know from where the issue is coming. For example, if we take the relationship issues, generally we found that if our relationship with mother is not good, somehow or somewhere it is going to affect your relationship. In the same way, if you have father wounds or relationship issues with your father, there may be confidence issues. Or sometimes we totally totally see the enmeshment with some family members or some ancestor, or sometimes there is some overthinking, negative energies, or whatever we call other energies, foreign energies. So beautifully, whenever a therapist take the role and go into that part, we explore hidden layers. Consciously we are not aware about those things, but when we go to those layers, we come to know the source of the problem. And in this therapy, ancestral healing also happens in a beautiful manner. And family constellation therapy basically works on your family structure. See, flow of love comes from your system. So whenever that flow of love is blocked somewhere, it is definitely going to affect many generations. So in this therapy, relationship issues are handled, many health issues are handled. We have dealt with many clients who get rid of their problems after this therapy. And this is the beauty of this therapy, that whoever goes into the role of the client, they can get that energy. At subconscious level, we all are single consciousness. So in this therapy, we come to know about the family structure, we come to know about the enmeshments, we come to know about inner child issues, past life issues, or it may be sometime foreign energies or entities, what we call. All the layers are explored through this therapy. We call this is surrogate hypnotherapy, and Bert Hellinger beautifully explained the flow of love, family structure, and we got good solutions or get insights. Sometimes we can see that it's not solution, it's just insight. So this therapy gives us direction what should be done. And this is the therapy where we work on your free will. So it depends on the decision of your subconscious. We never go against the will of the client. Complete control is of the client. We can't take the control of the client, and this session depends on the energy of the client. We don't do anything. We just work on the energy of the client. In family constellation, we come to know how ancestral healing empowers us. Beautiful way of ancestral healing, and beautiful way of dealing with your inner child issues, your past life issues, your health issues, or whatever is not known to you. What should I do? Sometimes we are so confused, we don't know what we need. So through this therapy, we get insights, we get solutions, and we get directions. So if you want to take the experience, contact us at the Holistic Healing Hub. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment and share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel.